Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to share how my journey started for learning English communication. So this is my day 2 of recording myself to improve myself. So how this is what happened when I was in my primary schooling. It was a Tamil medium school, so I didn't get to learn how to speak in English over there, and I was not even able to read English. And though my mother tongue was Hindi, I was not able to read or communicate properly in Hindi also, because there we don't get to read Hindi also. And after my 5th standard, I went for getting admitted in 6th standard for a private English medium school, and there I was like given a entrance test. And after attending, when I was attending the entrance test, it was like first it was Hindi. So in Hindi seemed to me like a Japanese. I did not even understand a single alphabet of that, and then I just turned the entire page of Hindi, and then it was English, and I was able to identify the alphabets, but I was not able to read it, or I was not even able to understand whatever the things there. And then I turned the page and it was math. So anyhow, that was little what okay, but that too I didn't do it well. And then I turned to Tamil. Even Tamil, I was not good in Tamil. So there was only one essay which was about tell your favorite festival. So in that also I chose to write about Pongal, because I didn't know the actual spelling of the festivals which were my favorite. So I just wrote only one essay in the entire entrance test. Then they took my paper for correction, and after correction they gave it to the management, and they said it like I did very poor in the entrance test and I didn't know anything. And they directly said to us that she doesn't know anything, and they also said us that she will not be able to cope up with the English syllabus over there, as she's from Tamil medium school. And that time I was like totally confused. I don't know what to do, and I was also feeling bad of like how my entrance test went, because I too knew it that I did it very bad first, I should say. And then they gave me another option. They said at first they said that we will not be able to let her study in 6th standard over here, and then they gave us another option that if she wants to continue her studies over here, she has to take a drop of a year. So they put me back in 5th standard again. So I studied 5th standard for 2 years, one in my primary school and other in the newly admitted school. And there I like, on that day I really felt bad, tears were in my eyes, but still it didn't fall down. So at that day I decided that I should do something for the insult which I got over there. And due to that I like thought I should do something to improve myself. I should not be the same. And then it took me some 1 to 3 months to completely improve myself. I learned Hindi, I learned English, and I also learned Tamil properly over there. And after 3 months I became one of the fluent speaker in my class. And I like, after that I started getting recognition in the school. And the best moment for me over there was when I was in my 11th standard. My principal, she came to me and she said she felt bad that she had put me again in 5th. So on that day I felt like something, I did something, maybe not much but something. And with that I understood that I should focus on improving my English communication more, because I really wanted to keep growing and keep improving myself. And after 12th I did biomaths, but still I was so confused to choose my degree in college. So later on I thought I should take up a degree for something, like, because I didn't had a plan of completing a degree and then going along with that degree. I really wanted to do something else, but I was not sure at what I wanted to do, but still I wanted to do something else. So that is where I had two options. I thought of taking either maths or English, and later on I thought, okay, English is something I feel so happy about and I would love to improve more. So that is why I chose English literature as my major. And when I went to college, I met with so many people, and they were like, many people were better than me. So seeing them, I realized that I am still not enough and I should keep working. I never had jealousy on anybody, because whenever I saw someone who is better than me, I always got inspiration from them, and I always worked hard to improve myself. My focus was never to get better than anybody, but to better than myself. And regarding my content creation journey, actually I have the wish of creating contents when I was in my 10th standard, but still I had the fear, or I didn't had the proper plan or strategy how to do, or like I didn't have the confidence to face the camera. I also feared about like what my family would say, or what other people would say if I face the camera, what my relatives would say. So all those things were in my mind, and I thought of starting it in 10th standard, but it took me 5 years to finally face the camera. So I would suggest, if someone is watching this video, if you're planning, so just start doing it, or else it may be like you may feel it would be 1 month, and then it would be 1 year, then it would be 2, and years will go like that. So if you're planning to create content or do anything else you want in your life, just start now.